Hello, welcome to NURS 461, Global Health and Policy Issues, a Nursing Perspective. My name is Lisa Chung, and I'm going to be your professor for the summer. 7 weeks goes by fast, nurses. You won't even realize that you began and ended an entire course. But it's a great one. You're going to enjoy the summer. About this course. By the end of the course, you will be able to demonstrate an understanding of the demographic and health determinants from a global perspective, analyze major aspects of global health challenges, describe policy development aspects from a sociocultural framework for a selected global health issue. You're going to be discussing factors that influence global health, developing advocacy position, distinguishing how professional nursing values may influence or impact global health issues relative to the environment or social or political aspects. And the textbook is as noted, Global Health Nursing in the 21st Century. Breakley, Corliss, Needson, and Nicholas. This course will enhance the students' knowledge of the ongoing changes in healthcare and policy development, including discussion and analysis of issues related to healthcare around the world. Guys, we just came off of a major pandemic, and we're actually still within the changes that are happening post-pandemic, and the ebbs and flows of what's going on with COVID-19 as it increases and decreases, impacting our healthcare, impacted anything that you can think of around us, impacts on the environment, impacts also on supply chain. So there's a lot more to this than what we're seeing on the front lines. So a discussion will be related to healthcare access and disparities. Big one. The course will look at ways of promoting access for the most vulnerable individuals and actually heightening your awareness as to what is going on. So, a syllabus review, okay? You're not new to SPS, so you know every course has a syllabus. So, I'm going to briefly go through the syllabus. The syllabus looks the same as it would have for your previous courses, just some highlights that you should be aware of. As we take a deeper dive into the syllabus, we'll note that a prereq for this course is NURS 303. And of course, if you're registered, that means you have already taken that course. This is a 7-week course as indicated on your syllabus. My name, email, and phone number are located there, as well as the required tests that we looked at previously. Course description and outcomes was also discussed a few minutes ago. Okay, these are your program outcomes and the courses affiliated with them. As we move through, I'll go all the way down actually to your requirements for this course. To log into Blackboard, it's a 7-week course. Okay, the online classes is an asynchronous nursing course, 15 to 20 hours per week for a 7-week course. So just take time. These are your grading requirements, your discussion board, assignments. Your first assignment is ethical challenges in short-term global health training, which is 5 case study certificates, really interesting reading. Your second assignment is global population health needs analysis and comparison of services provided and also a government paper, which is 25%. Advocacy policy position statement letter on global health issue, which is your signature assignment. And as you know, all signature assignments need to be uploaded into your e-portfolio. This is more discussion on the topic of discussion board questions. Again, you're not new to SPS, so I don't need to go through all of this. Regarding the discussion board, there are 3 major assignments. All are linked to SafeAssign. All right, this is more specific, getting more specific for your first assignment, and which is due actually on June 12th, which is due this weekend. Your second assignment, assignment number 2, Global Population Health Needs and Analysis. This is pretty much the description here. And also download the sample APA 7th edition student paper and use it as a template for this. In Blackboard, the example is sitting there for you to download. Okay, so you can take a look at that. Assignment number 3, advocacy policy position statement. Okay, that is your signature assignment that I spoke of. Just to go back a second, your second assignment is due June 26th, which is the Sunday of week 4. Okay, moving along to assignment number 3. Okay, this is just actually giving you guidance as far as what you need to do for this document, for this assignment due Sunday of week 7. Okay, this talks about due dates and late policy, safe assign, which we briefly went over, and grade. Academic integrity is very important as you move through your a career here at SPS or any other academic organization for that matter. And this is just more information. Okay, going ahead of this is now your course outline, and the rest of your syllabus is located there. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I did already have one collaborate session, just for anybody to chime in, and I will have another one as well. Again, feel free to send me an email or text or anything during office hours, and if you need outside times of those office hours, please let me know, and we can work something out. As I indicated in the beginning of the syllabus, and also in your instructions for the course, I can be reached Tuesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. for any concerns related to the course. Okay, if there's anything else, please let me know. You can also reach out to me on Thursdays from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay? Well, I think that's it. There's a great video about the class also on the Blackboard site. So please take a look at that. I apologize for this being late. I didn't realize that the previous video was actually incorrect. That was on the landing page. Alrighty, so everyone, we're already heading towards week 3. And I look forward to going through the rest of this course with you. Bye-bye.